Hey Art Explorers! Today in this short video we are going to be making a super easy fun pop-up rainbow card. We're going to be using a paper folding technique called the Accordion Fold. It's a quick and easy way to add a little extra fun to your colorful rainbow card. So here are the materials you will need. Some type of cardstock or construction paper. This will be the base of your card. Then we would need some white paper. This will be used to color in your rainbow. Then of course some coloring materials. Then a pair of scissors and a glue stick. So let's get started. Grab your construction paper or your cardstock, and we're gonna fold it in half, hamburger style, corners to corner. Line it up and give it a nice little fold and press down in the center. Then we are going to grab our white paper, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna make sure the width of your rainbow fits inside your folded card. So as you can see here, my paper is a little bit large. I tried it in half. It was still a little too big. I decided to do it in thirds, and I'm thinking this might just work. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab my scissors and cut off that long strip of white paper. This is looking good. So I'm gonna go ahead and color in. I'm gonna go ahead and go with highlighters. I don't have markers today, but you are more than welcome to use crayons, as I said before, color pencils. If you have markers, great. If you want to use paint, you may, but with paint, you're just gonna have to use a special type of paper, and that paper might be a little bit too hard to be doing accordion fold later. And also, paint, you have to wait a little bit for it to dry first. So I'm coloring in here. I'm starting out with my yellow, and I actually don't have orange. I'm trying to go for the rainbow look, and as you can see, I kind of made a little oopsie here where I painted the pink over the yellow by accident, which actually turned out like orange. So it's a little happy surprise. So I'm just gonna finish this off with some green and blue and purple. All right. Now that you have your rainbow strip colored in, it is ready to make our accordion fold. So the easiest way is to put your paper strip like so, and then we are going to fold up the short edge of your rainbow about 1/2 inch to 3/4 of an inch. Flip it over and fold in the other direction. And we're going to repeat the same method. Fold it over and fold it up in that direction. We are going to repeat this process until you do the accordion fold for the entire length of the rainbow. So just a couple more here. Again, flip it over, fold it up, flip it over, and fold it up. It's okay if you have a little extra that come in handy with the gluing. Ta-da! And this is the accordion fold. Now that we have our accordion folded rainbow, we are ready to assemble. Yay! So first, let's figure out where you want your rainbow and make sure it's facing you the correct way. Go ahead and grab your glue stick and apply glue to just one side of that rainbow. And then go ahead and place it glue side down onto the card and give it a firm press for just a few seconds. Now once that's in place, go ahead and grab your glue stick again and apply to the other end of the rainbow. And what we're going to do is fold the front of the card over as if you're closing it. Again, give it a firm press for a few seconds. Ta-da! Yay! So now you have the options to decorate your card even further. In the samples I showed earlier, I actually have some clouds. So I'm going to go ahead and use a scrap piece of white paper from earlier and just sort of randomly draw some shapes of clouds. Now if I want two of the same thing, what I'm doing here is just folding the paper over. So that way I'm going to follow along this cloud shape, but essentially I'm cutting two pieces of clouds at the same time to get two exact cloud shape. Genius, right? So I'm going to go ahead and just finish decorating my clouds using some coloring materials I have here handy and write a little message. In the meantime, I want you to think about or look around your house to see if there are other materials that you could use and incorporate into your card. Some ideas could be maybe just tissue paper, confetti, or maybe just like pieces of ribbon scraps or pom-pom. If you're not sure, maybe check with an adult. But yeah, we encourage you to explore the different coloring materials and paper type. We love to see your creative adventures. Be sure to tag us at Explorium and love to see and check out what you guys been up to. So thanks for watching. Aloha.